Hello everyone! So today I have another Sonico BiCute Bunnies figure to unbox. And this one is such a cute design. She's a waitress. She's got cute like red, white, and black color scheme going on. And I just love Sonico, so this was kind of a given for me. So let's open her up. Okay, so yeah, perfectly easy to put together. And oh my god, she's actually so cute. I think she looks better in real life than she did in these photos, honestly. Yeah, like she looks better to me. Oh, she's so adorable. And here she is in her full glory. I really think she turned out amazing for a BiCute bunny, which I already think that BiCute bunnies in general are pretty great. But she's so cute. And of course, since the BiCute bunny figure line are prize figures, there are various quality things, like some rough textures. See on the cuff there as well. I mean, it's not exactly difficult to find, again, since it is a prize figure. And I noticed that on this leg, the fishnets seem to get like a little bit bunched up right there. And like I've tried kind of fixing it, which helps for just a little bit, but I guess it kind of just goes back. That it's not super obvious. I mean, I think the paint job is largely pretty clean, which is good. Like, it doesn't really look like there's any of the red from that heart going onto the white of the cuffs. So, well, I guess some of the white got onto a bit of that heart there. But I don't know, I think she's amazing.